The discovery of the projectile point and the other items from an incredible archaeological site in Texas show that people were here long before originally thought.
So this is one of our major excavation blocks right here. We recovered, I think, 165,000 artifacts that are greater than 14,000 years old. There's not another site in the Americas that matches that.
We're looking at what to many eyes is going to look like a small piece of chipped stone, but it tells us so much about the humanity of the story of Texas.
We're adding to the record of past human behavior in this part of Texas.
This one small point completely reshapes the way we think about our understanding of the history of Texas.